All right, everybody, I have you in the car with me today because I have to get on a plane again tonight to go to New York to go to a wedding. So I got a list here of stuff that I have to do around town before I leave. So I'm going to make the video while I'm doing my errands, and when I get home, I edit and upload. But this is my list so far. Go to the gym. I'm just leaving the gym, and I killed it in there, you know. I'm getting ready for training camp. Number 2, I got get a haircut. So I got to go get a haircut. Got to go to, I think I'm going to Legends probably. Then take cans for the kids. I got cans in my trunk that I take, you know, I recycle them and I put them into the kids' college fund. So that's got to be done. Then I have to wash the car. You'll go through the car wash with me. I got to get some shoestrings for my shoes for New York. So I got to stop by and do that. And wifey's birthday is tomorrow, and I have to stop and get wifey a birthday gift. That's not right. All right, number 5 is get wife birthday gift, and number 6 is get shoestrings, just in case I don't finish. All right, guys, let's go get my haircut. All right, let me back out here safely. Don't want to get in a car wreck like Ezekiel Elliott. So brings up the first point. Let's see how many practices, mini camps, and OTAs and everything that Ezekiel Elliott missed. Because I'm old enough to remember Emmitt Smith, and I don't think Emmitt Smith went to any outside of his rookie year. I don't think Emmitt was notorious for missing a lot of practice before. And I guess the running backs, they don't need it. They don't need it, and especially smart running backs like Emmitt and Ezekiel. They don't need it, so don't worry about it. I don't think he was in a serious car wreck. I think it was all the missed practice. All right, another thing, a lot of people are saying that the David Irvin thing was a mistake on I don't know whose part or whatever, but they think that they may have something that will win this appeal for them. So I really hope David Irvin wins the appeal. And seeing this type of reaction from it, I'm hoping that it really was just a rare occurrence, and it didn't happen again, and he still can play at that position, at that level. Yes, ma'am. Hold on. All right, now, hello?
When you take the cans, would you do me a huge favor?
What's that?
Would you buy some more?
You went out. Try again.
That is my bet. That's my bet. I bet they're like $2.77 or something.
You get what,
like
baby? You went out on me.
Buy chicken. Lordy. Buy sodas for me because it's Memorial Weekend, and if I had to bet, I know that they're on a good sale.
I'll call you with the price, because I don't know what's cheap and what's not cheap when I get to some sodas.
Right. If I bet I bet they're like $2.77 or like that, because they usually go on a really good sale for Memorial Day weekend.
Right.
And so I just want to knock it up. Yeah. Hey, go ahead and take your top down.
Okay.
I'll do a full-on.
Okay.
With a V in the back.
Okay.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye. And even with the mohawk, it doesn't have to be that. Look how it looks high, and then decide if you want to.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep the. You know how Doc's front of his mohawk is longer than the back?
Baby, you're going in and out, and it's really annoying me. I'm gonna get my hair cut, and it's gonna look nice for you, okay? I love you.
Oh yeah, but are you gonna do a mohawk?
Yes, I'll do a mohawk, baby. I will.
Okay, love you.
All right, bye. So I guess I'm going mohawk. There's one article out there that says Jalen Smith looking really good out there. All right, guys, going to get the haircut. I'll show it to you when I finish. Mohawk. You heard her. She said mohawk. All right, hair looks pretty good. I think I like my mohawk. I like it a lot. All right. Ryan Switzer. Doing great at practice like I thought. I thought he was going to be a plug and play. We got a couple of tweets that said he's a plug and play and he would be a great injury fill-in for Beasley. But I don't know. I think he's going to be just another entity on his own. People are thinking him like Beasley. I think Ryan Switzer is going to be Ryan Switzer, and Cole Beasley is going to be Cole Beasley. They're going to be their own beasts in themselves, not like each other. So that's good to hear. I already said about Jalen Smith looking good, and he's second in the depth chart right now. So he hasn't worked into that starting position, but we expect that very, very, very soon. It was somebody else, Charles Tapper. Charles Tapper is looking good, and he's ready to go full out for this season. So a lot of things got us exciting. I hope that David Irving thing works out and he doesn't get suspended, because with David Irving and Tapper and Mayoya and Taco and Malik Collins, I love the rotation that we have at defensive line. I really do. I saw an article earlier today or yesterday on I think it was today, and they had on Blogging the Boys, and they had the potential depth chart on defense. And let me remember if I can remember what it was. It was David Irving, starter. Then we had Tyrone Crawford. Then we had Thornton. Then we had at one technique Thornton, three technique Tyrone Crawford, and the other end was Benson Mayoya. I think that was the setup. At linebacker, we had at the middle Hitchens was starting, and then we had Jalen Smith in the backup. On the weak side, Sean Lee, and on the strong side, Damian Wilson, who they really like. So hopefully he can come along. And a lot of people asked me, people were talking about Darryl Washington. That dude can play football. That dude can play some serious football. However, Rolando McClain stressed me out. I don't think he's as bad of a character as Rolando McClain was, but I would make sure that his situation is not a fluid situation, that he's not going to keep getting in trouble and because he just got reinstated. I want to know if he's a changed guy or he won't get in trouble anymore before I embrace him. But Darryl Washington is one heck of a linebacker. He is. Oh, I got the linebacker, and the secondary was. I think I remember the starter and the backup. The starting outside corner is Anthony Brown. Backup to him is Marquez White. The other starting corner is what's his name? I can't think of his name. What's his name from Philadelphia? And then the backup to him is Chinobi. So they have Chinobi at cornerback. And then at free safety is Byron Jones, and strong safety is Heath. And behind Heath is Frazier, and behind Byron Jones is Xavier Woods. I can't believe I remembered all that. But that's the lineup so far going in there. There was something else I wanted to say. Oh, Josh Norman talking about Dez, saying he's just a guy. Somebody at the Cowboys zone said both of them are just a guy at this point. No, Dez is not just a guy, but Josh, he's doing what he's trying to do to get under Dez's skin already, and I think this more mature Dez is not gonna let him get under the skin. Saying that Dez is just a guy you have to know that's just somebody poking at you, trying to get you off your game, because that's the only way you can beat Dez. He's getting his head. And I'm telling you, my thoughts of Dez, when one thing that Josh Norman said, he said Dez tries to act like a bad guy, all right, tries to act like a bully, and he's not really a bully. And I kind of see that. I kind of really see that. Dez is just a passionate guy. He gets emotional and all that kind of stuff, but I don't see him as a real bully. And I tell you what changed me is when we had Hardy on the team, a real bully. We had Hardy on the team, and when Hardy came out and was smacking stuff out of the hands and everything, and Dez went over and try to talk to Hardy, and Hardy just threw Dez off him like he wasn't like, get up. I was like, okay, Greg Hardy is a real bully. Dez Bryant is just a good guy. That Greg Hardy showed exactly what kind of person he was, and Dez is not in that category at all whatsoever. So I kind of agree with that. But Josh Norman, I can't wait to see that. I can't, with all our weapons, and we're gonna leave you on an island with Dez. Yeah, Josh.